joy to be in this kitchen and just be making something special every morning or cooking something at night, for my dinner. I love this kitchen so much, and I'm so grateful for it. On a rainy day like this, it just makes me want to just sit and enjoy everything that I've been blessed with. Just to show you, it's not perfect by any means. I have not done the dishes from last night. I still have a pan and I have a couple of things in the sink. I still have to get some painting done this morning, but it's just so cozy, and this is our place, and we've done everything in this house that we're enjoying. So I am just really thankful, and I feel very blessed this morning, and I love the rain. So let this be a reminder to you today to just take a moment to sit down